Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to undo your Google form submission. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you do open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In this main page in the upper right corner, first things first, we can log into our Google account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and create a new one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So once you are logged in, now we can get started. In this home page, we can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have one, we can take a look at the recent forms that we have created right here, and so on. And now we can get started managing our responses. So basically guys, if you have submitted a response to your form, you cannot undo it, because guys, once you have sent a response, it's going to be there and the owner of the form is going to be able to see it. But if you're the owner of the form and you want to undo some responses, what you can do is open up the form by clicking on it right here. And once you have opened it up, we can get started managing our responses. So here at the top of the screen, we have the tab with multiple options we can access. One of them is going to be called responses. So once you click on responses, you'll be able to take a look at all the responses to your form. Currently I have 0, but if you can go ahead and find the response that you want to undo, either your response or somebody else's, what you can do is click the three dots next to the response name. By clicking the three dots, it's going to enable you to delete the response, whichever of it is. So you can delete as many responses as you want and undo them this way. But that is the only option that you have. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload new videos. So I guess thanks for watching today's one. I hope to see you next one, and bye.